So this is a battery mod review for the hogs dr1 micro race drone. I bought the Eachine E010 and the hogs dr1. The dr1, the controls and controller is much better. This is a controller for the E010, and let me grab the controller for the hogs dr1. Is much nicer, a little bigger. You can remove the little circular controls on the controller and replace it with this little stick thing. It has automatic takeoff and landing. You can still do the stunts. It still has the trim. Just a much nicer controller. The difference was, I didn't like on the dr1 that you couldn't replace the battery. You had to charge it and wait. So I decided, I bought the E010 and the charger that comes with them, I just simply snipped off the end, which is a female, and soldered it to the dr1. And now I can use the batteries, which you can buy a 5-pack for like $15 with a charger. That'll charge all 5. So now I can use my dr1. Also has an on-off switch, so when you plug the battery in, it doesn't automatically turn on. The E010, also, the altitude, when you were trying to fly it, if you would steer left or right, it would seem to lose altitude or gain altitude. With the hogs, the controller is much nicer. It would not do that. Plus the dr1 just seemed to fly better. Same size. Maybe the dr1 is just a hair bigger, but not really anything at all. So yeah, it was pretty simple. The wires are pretty small, as you can see. But it did not take much. All I had to do was snip. If you can see, just snip this one corner here to get the battery out. And then you can kind of, when you put the battery in, you just kind of tuck it back in. And the battery stays in. You could probably just snip it out altogether and it would still be fine. So yeah, pretty simple. Glad I did it. Not much else to say. Thanks for watching.